Collateral estoppel, also known as issue preclusion, is a legal doctrine that precludes a party from relitigating issues that were actually decided against it in a prior case. In Montana v. United States, we explored the scope of that doctrine. A Montana statute imposed a 1% gross receipts tax on contractors of public construction projects, but not on contractors of private construction projects. Kiewit Sons, a contractor on a federal construction project in Montana, challenged the constitutionality of the tax in Montana state court. Although the United States government wasn't a party to Kiewit's lawsuit, it was heavily involved in the matter. Among other things, the government directed Kiewit to file the lawsuit and paid Kiewit's attorney's fees. Shortly after Kiewit filed suit in state court, the government sued Montana in federal district court, again challenging the constitutionality of the tax. The parties to the federal lawsuit agreed to continue that case, pending resolution of Kiewit's case. In that matter, the Montana Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of the tax in a decision commonly known as Kiewit 1. Kiewit filed a notice of appeal to the United States Supreme Court, but later abandoned it at the government's urging. Thereafter, a 3-judge district court panel issued a decision in the government's federal case. That court found that it wasn't bound by the Montana Supreme Court's decision in Kiewit 1 and struck down the tax for violating the Supremacy Clause of the United States Constitution. Montana appealed to the United States Supreme Court. Among other things, Montana argued that Kiewit 1 barred the government from relitigating the constitutionality of the tax.